Hi, Mocha. Little girl. Pretty little girl. It's okay. It's okay, little Mocha. Oh, your belly's so big, Mocha. Alright. The hive boxes are ready. Everything prepped. Over here. Here. This hive box here is a warray. Instead of putting another super on the top, once they've filled this one with brood and honey, normally you would just put another super on top, and then they would start building that one. With a warray hive, you super from the bottom up. So this box gets lifted to the top because bees naturally draw comb down, which, yeah, I guess that makes sense. Plus it has that handy little feeder box. Everybody come up through the screen there, step down into the pan, have a little something to eat, la la la. Yep. Just everything's ready, just waiting for my cinematographer there to clock out, and we'll get this show on the road. Thanks for watching the Dirty Joe and Beitai Chun channel. Hey. Hey. No, no, no. Ay-yaw. See, Juan's in heat again. You just had babies. See what happens? Be nice. Be nice.